Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by making the iron safe, unplug it, let it cool completely, and empty any water. Once done, remove the sole plate screws and lift the housing carefully. Keep track of screws and clips. Use photos to record wiring positions so you can restore them precisely. Next, visually inspect the thermostat and nearby wiring for burns or corrosion, because that tells you whether the thermostat or connectors failed. Make sure to work on a non-conductive surface and have a multimeter ready to test continuity. You now verify whether the thermostat is faulty. Set your meter to continuity and test the component at room temperature. A good bimetal thermostat typically shows continuity in one state and opens at reset. Once you confirm failure, label each wire and gently disconnect them so you can reconnect identically. Remove any retaining hardware and extract the thermostat, noting orientation. Inspect connector tabs and harness insulation. Replace or crimp new connectors if they look weak. Compare the replacement part for the same temperature rating and physical fit. You install the new thermostat by positioning it exactly as the old one sat, securing clips or screws without over-tightening, and reconnecting the labeled wires. Once reassembled enough for safety, perform a cold continuity check to confirm connections. Then plug the iron in and heat on low while watching for proper temperature cycling. The iron should reach set temp, cut out, then resume heating. If the iron overheats, trips, or smells burned, unplug immediately and recheck wiring and thermostat rating. Incorrect part.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.